Hi all, welcome to my YouTube channel The Testing Instinct. In this video, I will be discussing about skipping specific or all headers in the HTML report. First, I will be showing how to generate a normal HTML report using Bruno CLI. To generate HTML report, we have to use this command. I am going straight to the demo. I have already opened Bruno. I am using the collection HTML reporter. This particular collection is having two requests: create user, which support post HTTP method, and get user, which support get HTTP method. These two requests have some assertion and tests associated with it. Now we are going to execute this collection from command line. I am going to generate the HTML report. I have already opened this collection in the file system. Now I am opening command line in this particular location. Now I am using this particular command. This will be generating the HTML report. The execution is completed and the result is being displayed in the command line. So same things will be displayed in the HTML report also. So the HTML report will be generated in the collection location. So there will be a file called result.html in the collection location. We can verify that. You can see one result.html file generated in the collection location. Now I am going to open this result.html file. I am changing the theme to dark. So this is the result. In the request tab, you can see the details of the requests that were available in the collection. So if you scroll down to the create user request, you can see some headers coming. So this is a request header, and also you can see some response headers. Similarly, for next request as well, there will be some response headers. Since this is a get HTTP method supported request, this particular get user does not have any request headers. This is only having response headers. So if you check these two requests, there are some headers coming in the response headers. So there can be some sensitive information coming in these response headers. So if you want to skip the response headers, you can use this particular command. So this is the command you have to use in order to skip some headers. So you have to pass --reporter skip headers, and you have to mention the header in double quotes followed by space. If you have multiple headers, you can again specify a space and put the header name in quotes. So here I am going to skip the header, content type, and connection. If you check this particular report, you can see in the response headers there is a content type and there is connection. So this particular request is also having content type and connection. So I am going to skip these two headers from the HTML report. So I am copying this particular command. I am going to paste the command and execute the collection. So the collection has executed. Now I am again refreshing the report, changing the theme to dark. I am opening the request. You check now in the request headers, earlier there was a content type, now it's not displayed, and also in response headers you will not be seeing the header, content type, and connection. You can verify the same in get user request as well. Here also you will not be seeing the header, content type, and connection. So the next thing is skipping all headers. To exclude all headers from the report, use the reporter skip all headers option. This will remove all headers from the output report, ensuring a cleaner result. So if you want to skip all headers, you have to use this particular command. I am copying this command now, pasting in command line and executing the collection. The collection have executed. Now I am going to refresh the HTML report. I am changing the theme to dark. I am going to the request tab, opening the request under the collection. In create user, you can see the request headers part is empty and response headers part is also empty. Now I will take the next request as well. So in the next request also, you can see the request headers and response headers without any headers. So this is how we can skip any specific headers or skip all headers using Bruno's CLI. So these are the commands we have to use. This is a command if you want to skip all headers, and if you want to skip specific headers, you can use this particular command. So that's all in the demo. I believe this session was helpful for everyone. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing the channel. Please like, share and comment on the video if you have any queries. I will be clearing out the queries. Thanks for watching and keep learning.